Alright, this would be my broom standing up in my unlevel and just standing there. Something else. There's nothing attached to it. There's nothing going on with it. It's kind of just hanging out. And like I said, my floor was damaged prior to moving in. And it's not 100% level, the linoleum on it. And this room is just chilling. It's weird. Not too weird to freak me out though. Like a lot of people. Maybe if it can do this all the time, I won't have to fight it to put it up and keep falling over. If only. Again, this is the standing broom.